Read the story again. Complete the sentences. 1. The animals wanted the frog to share. 2. The animals meet to make a plan to. 3. The jar broke because. 4. Dash got blasted. Read the story again. Answer the questions. 1. Who had the most beautiful voice of all the animals? Blaster had the most beautiful voice of all the animals. 2. Who quietly went to Blaster's home at midnight? 3. What did the animals find when they went to get the pieces of Blaster's voice? Group work. Answer the questions. 1. How do you feel about Blaster? How do you feel about the other animals? Why? 2. Do you think this is a true story? Why or why not? Underline the sentences in the story that use quotation marks. Underline the sentences that use commas. Let's see an example of the second paragraph.